For today's video ay mag-challenge ako sa MM2. Kita nyo naman bagong update. Yeah. Kaya yung challenge ko pala ay pag namatay ako ay the video end. Okay guys, end. Kaya don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para alam nyo na may bago akong video. Okay guys. Okay guys, tapos yes, start na natin to. Let's go! Share it! Let's go! Let's go! Okay, stop na. Okay. Ano natin mag-init sa mga tao na to? Si Bacon, nakagaya ko, hindi ko siya shoot kahit mo doon sa joking. Ah, don't penguin. Penguin, motherfucker. Bro. Bro, what the hell? Stop talking to my mic. Bro, wag. Nanggugulo pinsan ko, guys. Nanggugulo. Walang magawa sa buhay, kakagising lang. Kakagising ko lang. Medyo sabog ko, guys. Oh. Oh, we're dead. Okay guys, second round tapos innocent. Yeah, sobrang galing ko sa kaninang round kaya sobrang pogi ko pa kasi ako si Bacon. Sino nag-alak dito? Tinapon pa yung basurahan. Ay, tinapon pa yung baso. Uy, kanina tong ano? Kanina tong watermelon water pizza. Ano yung water pizza? Hey, okay. Uh-oh, you're dead. I'm going to fridge. I'm going to fridge. Some golden. Yeah. Inuman tayo po bro. Alcohol. Epic. Epic ko. Ay, what? Epic nga. Ima. Hamburger. May ano talaga. Hey, yo! Happy. Hey, yo! Okay, nagkalaban tayo ng ako. Ako doon, follow me. Bro, so, uy, give me the so pro that I can shoot the other if it even a hacker. Okay. Who is the mother? I will kill him. I'm just looking behind. Don't shoot. Just doing. Shoot him. Rar. No! Don't shoot me. Shoot the murder. Not me. Shoot the murder. Not me. Shoot the murder. I'm floating. Don't give me the... Pare, tawag lang akong patay ng sheriff. Okay, I'm lagging again. Saying I'm not moored, okay? Ayoko mamatay. Not moored. I'm not moored, man. Is it hacker? Yeah, hacker. Promise sa inyo, don't kill me. I'm just a little boy with a knife and a gun. Don't know why I'm carrying that over this place. Okay. Yay! Me. I'm just joking, guys. I'm not a murderer. I'm a friendly murderer. Huh? Napasabi siya. Dami na yung toxic viper. Oh, look at him. Bro's cheating. Bro's cheating. Hey, yo. Okay. Hey, yo. Claire Lily. Claire Lee. Claire Lily. And Claire. Claire ba siya? Claire, kulang sa E. Look at him. Joke. Joke. Yes, sir. Oh, no. I forgot to. Okay. Wow. Okay, hacker nga siya. Hacker nga siya. Hindi man. He's just using the glitch. What's wrong with that? Shut the freeze up. I'm not hacking. I know. You know what chicken mean? You know JK mean? I know! Alam ko guys, alam ko. Oh, sobrang bilis naman yan. Gabi na yan. Ay! Pogi! Don't kill me, Pogi! I'm waiting for my wife! Bro sa akin! Sobra! Okay guys, dahil sa sobrang gandang laro ko ay nanalo ako. Kahit 2 round pa lang. Basta, okay na yun. Bye-bye pala. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para alam nyo kung may bago kong video. Bye-bye!